The quantum mechanical model revolutionized atomic structure by incorporating wave-particle duality and the uncertainty principle, offering a more precise depiction of electron behavior and atomic properties. White light through a prism creates a continuous spectrum, while excited atoms emit discrete wavelengths, unique to each element, forming their atomic emission spectrum. Each element has a distinctive line emission spectrum, enabling identification and discovery of unknown elements like rubidium, cesium, and helium through spectroscopy. The hydrogen spectrum includes the Lyman series, ultraviolet light, Balmer series, visible light, and Paschen series, infrared light, each corresponding to specific electronic transitions. Bohr's model of the hydrogen atom introduces quantized energy levels, stationary states, quantum jumps, and angular momentum quantization, but has limitations for multi-electron systems. Bohr's model works for single-electron systems but fails for multi-electron atoms and doesn't account for fine structure or external field effects on spectra. Louis de Broglie proposed wave-particle duality for all matter, confirmed by electron diffraction experiments, validating his hypothesis and revolutionizing quantum mechanics. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle states it's impossible to simultaneously determine a particle's exact position and momentum, fundamentally limiting measurement precision at the quantum scale. The Schrödinger equation describes a quantum system's wave function with its square-giving probability density, providing allowed energy levels for electrons in atoms. Quantum numbers n, l, ml, ms describe electron energy levels, orbital shapes, orientations, and spin, determining the electron's unique state within an atom. The principal quantum number, n, defines an electron's main energy level, orbital size, and the number of orbitals within a shell, increasing with n superscript 2. The azimuthal quantum number, L, defines subshells and orbital shapes, with values from 0 to n1 for a given principal quantum number, n. The magnetic quantum number, ml, specifies orbital orientation in space, ranging from L to plus L, determining the number of possible orbital orientations. The spin quantum number, ms, represents an electron's intrinsic angular momentum, with possible values of plus 1, 2 or 1, 2, crucial for the Pauli exclusion principle. Atomic orbitals have distinct shapes. S orbitals are spherical, p orbitals are dumbbell-shaped, and d orbitals have more complex, multilobed shapes. The radial probability distribution shows electron probability density, radial nodes where probability is 0, and shell structure with peaks for different energy levels. Angular nodes are planes or surfaces where electron probability is 0, equal to the azimuthal quantum number, L, with p, d, and f orbitals having 1, 2, and 3 nodes respectively. In hydrogen, orbital energy is given by n is equal to Rh, 1 n superscript 2. Orbitals with the same principal quantum number, n, have identical energies converging at ionization energy. In multi-electron atoms, electron-electron repulsion and effective nuclear charge cause energy levels to split, with a general order of increasing energy, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s. The Aufbau principle states electrons fill orbitals in increasing energy order, with some exceptions for elements with half-filled or fully filled subshells providing extra stability. The Pauli exclusion principle asserts no two electrons in an atom can share the same set of 4 quantum numbers, limiting orbital occupancy to 2 electrons with opposite spins. Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity states electrons fill degenerate orbitals singly with parallel spins before pairing, minimizing electron-electron repulsion and increasing stability. Electron configurations use NLX notation, with noble gas cores to simplify inner electrons, highlighting valence electrons crucial for chemical bonding and reactivity. Orbital diagrams use boxes for orbitals and arrows for electrons, following Hund's rule, and are arranged in increasing energy order to represent electron configurations visually. The periodic table's block structure, S, P, D, F, reflects subshell filling, with group trends showing similar valence electron configurations and period trends across increasing energy orbitals. Exceptions to the Aufbau principle include chromium, Ar, 4s superscript 1 3D, and copper, Ar, 4s superscript 1 3D superscript 1, where half-filled or fully-filled subshells offer additional stability. Lanthanides, elements 57 to 71, fill 4f orbitals, and actinides, elements 89 to 103, fill 5f orbitals, with elements in each series sharing similar chemical properties. Forming cations involves removing electrons from the highest energy orbitals, while anions form by adding electrons to the lowest energy available orbitals, often achieving noble gas configurations. The ground state is the lowest energy electron configuration. Excited states occur when electrons absorb energy and move to higher orbitals, returning by emitting energy as light. The quantum mechanical model explains chemical bonding, spectroscopy, and materials science, laying the groundwork for quantum computing and advancing technology through a deeper understanding of electron behavior.